Hey Goldie Squad, it's Ruby
and Goldie,
and we've got another episode of Robot Runway today.
And our very last giveaway of the holiday season. I'm so sad, but we're ending it off with a bang. We got Alpha. UBTech robot. He is, first of all, so cool. Like, you can program him.
He can do all sorts of things. Dance, punch. He's pretty great. Oh shoot.
While he's walking, he's like,
you can have your very own Alpha. All you need to do to win is to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and follow the rules in the description to win our last giveaway of 2018. And while you're there, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can watch beautiful videos like this.
like this.
Like this. Let's get on to the bot battle. Hey Goldie Squad, it's Ruby. And for the last time in 2018, let's boot up this bot battle. Our first Goldie Squad maker is Paige. She has 3 dogs, but wishes she could also have a pet kangaroo. She believes that New Year's is about celebrating, not changing yourself. Today she has a Play-Doh cupcake kit she turned into a New Year's Eve party on wheels. Our opposing Goldie Squad maker is Quinn. She likes skateboarding, gaming, and building robots with her sister. Every New Year, she makes a resolution to learn a new skateboarding trick. This year, she's resolved to turn a mini skate set into a death-defying skater bot with a spinning rainbow of pain. Now it's time to meet our robots. Introducing the Fun Factor.
Whoa.
Oh, that was fast.
Let's go check out with our Goldie Squad judges. Would you guys want to party on this New Year's Eve party bot?
First of all, I love your bot. It is so cute. I love it. What is like your favorite family tradition in New Year's?
On New Year's, I love to bang pots and pans outside with my family.
Let me get this straight. Your parents let you go outside and bang on pots and pans. And they do
Yes.
it with you?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I think this is a really cool design. Are you worried that the balloon is going to pop?
Yes, I am kind of worried, but I feel pretty confident that it's gonna stay on.
So you have a motor on the top and it makes your balloon spin?
Yes.
Can I see that in action?
Yes.
I love that it bounces up and down like that.
And did you make the motor yourself?
Yes.
Awesome. So I just wanted to ask about the balloon. What do you think it adds to your robot?
I think I originally put it on my robot as decoration, but I'm seeing it could be used more as a weapon now.
I see you have a mini disco ball right here.
Yes.
I'm a disco ball today. So I love that about that.
Twinning.
So what's the backstory about this battle happening?
My robot theme is New Year's, and it's basically just saying that my robot just wants to celebrate and have a good time on New Year's and just being happy about the self you are right then.
So it's like they're enemies. We're seeing what's the better side of New Year.
It's obviously my size because I'm totally gonna decorate it.
Since Quinn is so confident in her robot, let's meet him. Introducing the Concrete Jungle. Let's check back with our Goldie Squad judges. Does this skateboarding robot make you want to be your best self in 2019?
Yes, it does, Ruby. First of all, I noticed that there's like a working skate park on your bot.
Yeah, one of these skaters, he can roll around because he's not technically connected to the actual bot.
I love that.
This bot is very you. I can see that
Yeah.
you're matching. You're wearing
A lot of
rainbow
rainbows,
outfit.
yeah.
Do you have a rainbow themed wardrobe?
Yes, I do. This is only like half, not even half, like less than half. 1/4 of my entire rainbow-ness.
Speaking of rainbows, that's a very interesting contraption on the front.
Yeah.
Does it move?
It does. It moves very, very fast. Very, it goes really fast. And I'm hoping it pops that balloon because if it does, yep.
Okay, so Quinn, how do you feel about New Year's resolutions?
I like New Year's resolutions. It's a good way to like integrate something new into your life, but it doesn't necessarily mean that anything's wrong with you. I don't always wait till New Year's to make them. Sometimes I'll just start being like, you know what, I want to do this now.
Right.
Yeah.
I like the fact that you don't wait till New Year's to like become a new person. Like,
Yeah.
every day is a new day to change yourself for the better.
inspirational poster.
I can't wait to see this face-off with Pointy versus Poppable.
Well, the clock's ticking. We better get this battle started before the ball drops. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go! Already going off to a good start. And it looks like actually New Me is going, yes! Yes!
Yes!
Well, I guess the party's already over. Our winner is New Me! But I think we can't now mention that the balloon did pop, so good job on your part. And everybody wins because the Goldie Squad has 2 new members. And now it's time for the Goldie Squad New Year confetti drop. 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for new bot battles every Saturday. And comment down below, what's your New Year's resolution? See you guys next time. Bye!
My Little Pony and Play-Doh are property of Hasbro. Tech Deck is property of Spin Master Limited.
If you like that, hit subscribe. There's plenty more bot battles coming your way every Saturday.